Rice is a conventional cereal consumed by many people around the world. It appears in many exquisite dishes. If you'd like to start eating more brown rice but are not sure how, we will tell you everything. Welcome to Tasty Food for You, and today we'll be presenting you with health benefits and 3 recipes with brown rice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to turn notifications on to receive more great content like today. Brown rice is a whole grain. Whole grains are rich in protein, magnesium, potassium, fiber, calcium, and vitamin E. This quality is something that refined grains like white rice don't have as much. It is recommended that about half of our grain servings each day, about 3 to 4 servings, be whole grains like brown rice. But why else should you eat brown rice? Consuming a few servings of whole grains every day could reduce heart diseases and diabetes. Not only does brown rice have no cholesterol, fat, or sodium, but it is also gluten-free and an excellent choice for people with celiac disease. Now, here are the best tips when shopping for brown rice. Buy brown rice when it's on sale or compare bulk and grocery store prices for the best deal. Compare the unit pricing of different sized packages. Unit pricing shows the price of food per 100 grams. Don't forget to look for it on the shelf below the product where the price is listed. Generally, plain rice sold in bigger bags tends to be a better deal than smaller sized packages. Plain rice is often less expensive than instant or flavored rice. Foods that have flavors added to them are usually more costly. Another key thing to remember is that cooking brown rice is similar to white rice, it just takes a little bit longer. While instant brown rice cooks in 10 minutes and quick brown rice cooks in 15 minutes, regular brown rice comes in short or long grains, and it takes from 40 to 45 minutes to cook. Brown rice has a nutty taste and chewy texture. If you're new to brown rice, it is better if you first try to mix half white rice and half brown rice to make the flavor transitions easier. We have covered all the benefits of rice and how it is cooked. So, what can you do with brown rice? Recipe number 1. Stir fry with broccoli and brown rice. Cook broccoli in boiling water. Heat some olive oil in a non-stick wok and stir fry ginger, garlic, and onion for 2 minutes. Add the mild chili powder and stir briefly. Add the vegetarian substitute or chicken-style pieces and stir fry for 2 minutes more. Drain the broccoli and reserve the water. Place the broccoli into the wok with a soy, honey, red pepper, and 4 tablespoons of broccoli water, then cook until heated through. Meanwhile, heat the rice and serve with a stir fry. Recipe number 2. Black bean, tofu, and avocado rice bowl. Heat the grill to high. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a frying pan. Add the onion and cook, frequently stirring for 5 minutes or until soft. Add the garlic and sizzle for 30 seconds and then stir in the cumin and black beans. Cook for 5 minutes until the beans start to pop and are hot. Stir with a lime zest and juice and season. While the beans are cooking, place the tofu in a bowl and gently add the remaining oil, the paprika, and some seasoning. Line a baking tray with foil and place the tofu on top. Cook under the grill for 5 minutes each side until it's charred all over. Heat the rice, then divide between bowls. Top with the beans, tofu, avocado, coriander, and a wedge of lime. If you like it spicy, add a few slices of chili. Recipe number 3. Rice and beans. Packed with lots of flavor and vegetables, this soup will keep you warm on a winter day or greatly satisfied on a Saturday lunch. Serve it with low-fat milk. Take a large pot, heat oil over medium heat, celery, onion, garlic, parsley, and oregano, frequently stirring for some 5 minutes or until softened. Add broth, tomatoes, beans, rice, and pepper. Let it boil and reduce to a simmer for about 45 minutes or until rice is tender. If using chicken, add it to the pot and heat through before serving. After all, brown rice has it all. Outstanding health benefits and versatility for delicious recipes. Who would have thought? It has pleasures and merits all its own. And now that you're here, don't forget to leave us a like, share this video with your friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more great content like today. We hope you enjoyed our video and we'll see you next time.